Hello guys, welcome back to Benny Course. Today the topic is about Python operators. So what are the types of operators in Python and what's the operator? So we will be looking at these contents in this video. So what is Python operator? Operator is used to perform operation or some operations on variables and values. So usually Python operators we can divide into 7 types. So first I will type those things. These are the operators that we can use in Python to create some operations. So this is the 6 types. So another one we have a bitwise operator that will I will post some new video, separate video for that bitwise operator. So these are the 6 main operators we are using in Python. So first one, I'll create first one is we are looking arithmetic operators. This is mathematical operations. So for that, I will create two variables like a is equal to 10. This is a numerical variable values, and b is equal to 5. So using these two variables, we can define all these 6 types of arithmetic operators. We can understand. For example, a plus b, so we will get the 15 as a value. We can also store this operations in a separate variable like c is equal to a plus b. So you can print c, you will get 15. So same thing, a minus b will get 5. So a multiplication b will get 50. And what another, a division b will get 2.0, and a modulo b, you will get a remainder value 0, and a floor division b, you will get the quotient. The 0 will be removed, point 0. The after decimal point will be removed. That quotient value will give in this operator. This is floor division. This is modulus. This is division of I mean the multiplication, subtraction, and multiplication. This is addition. So second one is logical operator and or. So for that, I'll create another variable like a is equal to 100, is equal to 100, then b is equal to 10. I will create it. This is plus 200. Okay. For example, here, if I check a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 20, see what it's happening. Okay. Here we need to compare the values. We will get the false. Why? Because here a is equal to 100. That value is true, but and b is equal to 20. That's not true. It's false. So that's why it will give and operator will both the operands, both the values should be true. Then only you will get the true value. For example, here equal to 100 and b is equal to 200. If you want to avoid these errors, we can use or operator for this 20. You will get the true value because any one condition can be true, so you will get true value. So next one will be here and or not. Not are also the same value. You can use a not after the and or. You can use after or also. So next one will be assignment operator. Assignment operator will be, if these are the assignment operator. A is equal to 10. Wherever we give the identifiers, assign some value. It may be any type of letter as well, like string, numerical, or boolean. So we will assign those. That is equal. So what are the others? Plus other equals, I mean other assignment operators like a plus equal and 10. In this case, what this means, I will put as a single line command a is equal to a plus 10 is the meaning of this above operator. Yes, in this case, if you print a, you will get 110. So this value is updated for a. So that's why I create again this value as, I mean, again, I will take like a minus equal to 10, a minus equal to 10, you will get 100. So 110 minus 10 is equal to 100. same thing. A multiplication equal to 10. So we'll get 1000. Okay, same thing. So next A division is equal to 10. 10 you will get 100. Okay, same thing. A floor division equal to 10. See what you will get? You will get, I think so, the 10. Okay. So this is how assembly operators will work in Python. So next one will be the relational operators. We can check the relations. So relation one type we have seen equal, double equal sign for checking the existence of the value. So this assignment, I mean relation operator, I mean comparison operator we have seen. So this is a, also a separate value, separate operator in comparison. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. So in this case, A. So these are the Boolean operators. You will get the Boolean values false. So A greater than B, you get true. So A less than or equal to B, no false. A greater than or equal to B, that also true. Okay. So this is how the comparison operation. These will give you the value of booleans like true or false boolean values. Okay. Next one will be members of operators and identity operators. Members of operators will check the, I mean the present tense. Is that value present in that variable? For example, name is equal to else pwd password is equal to so sorry equal to wt not 1. If I check not 1, what is that? In pwd. Okay, this is we have to give a string pwd. We'll get true. Same thing we can use a, I mean logical operator here. If I am saying this is not in pwd, we'll get false. Not in. Okay, we have to give like not in, we get false. So this is what it is, membership operator. Membership operator. Next one, identity. Identity will be yes or no. For example, A is equal to 100. A is 100. We are checking the value true. If I say A is not 100, it will give you false value. So this is how the identity operator will work as a in operator. We will check if you have seen, if you have worked with SQL or RDBMS databases, you may understand we use where class operator is in operator for checking column values existence. We will use in operator for checking multiple values in where class. So that's we using in operator. So same thing, we check in the present tense. Here the yes or no. Checking the yes or no value, yes or no of a variable values. So that is how the identity operator working here. So these are the operators in Python that we have seen just now. So I think yes, I hope this video will help you for understanding Python operators. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please do subscribe my channel and like my videos and give your valuable and meaningful content. I mean, valuable comments for encourage me to do more videos. Thank you so much.